Hey guys, welcome to TeslaWatts. Now, recently we have made a whole bunch of long distance trips with the Cybertruck. We've gone to Montreal, we've gone to northern Vermont and Maine, and also I've been commuting to UMass Amherst every 2 or 3 weeks, which is about a 2 hour drive. Now, overall, the experience has been awesome with the Cybertruck, but any trip that's about an hour or longer, I somehow feel there is something missing inside the Cybertruck. Even though the design is very minimalistic and there's hardly any controls other than the big screen, I feel it's like an empty apartment more than a minimalist's house. So there are many times that I will want to keep a can of Coke or some napkins or something like that, and I'm usually fiddling around and trying to put it in different parts of the truck. There's a lot of room in the middle of the Cybertruck, and there's also a lot of space underneath the seats. However, if you place items either in the middle section or underneath the seat, usually it is a disaster because things just move around. Now, I have been looking for some kind of a storage compartment for the middle section as well as for the areas underneath the seat. So I found these two storage bins from Hansshow. They are pretty minimalistic. At the same time, they fit perfectly. And now I can throw small items and knickknacks, even things like a little run from CVS, and they just stay at their place. They don't move around. The central storage bin comes in two pieces with rubber padding underneath, and it fits perfectly at the center. And the underseat storage comes in as a pair. And again, you can simply put it underneath your seat, and you have this storage space where you could put all kinds of things, including my dear Coke cans. They fit really well. I'm lazy to go from the other side. That fits really well. These fit in perfectly, as you can see. And there's a nice little cubby for you underneath the seats. And the nice thing is, since it's underneath the rack here, you can move the seats fine. And it's just going to go over them. Now with the center storage, usually I keep some baby wipes that fits nicely and some tissue boxes. There will be occasionally situations where I'll throw smaller items, perhaps even some Beats earpods, and they're usually not going anywhere. They're nicely stuck there. So I really like this setup, and thankfully you get a pair for the underseat bins, so the passenger can also put stuff in there. So that fits about 5 Coke cans. I think if I drink all of that, I'll definitely need to go to the bathroom before the next supercharger. Now, I was going to buy this, but Hansshow was actually very nice and they sent me a couple of samples. So I'm going to leave the links to these products and also an affiliate link that gives you 20% off if you use it. So hopefully you'll find these items useful. Until then, happy driving.